Life is not always easy. Every person in this world faces pain, failure, confusion, and difficult moments. Some people lose hope when problems come, while others become stronger because of those problems. The difference is not luck. The difference is mindset, habits, and the rules they follow in life. If you want a peaceful mind, success, confidence, and happiness, then you must learn the right way to live. Small habits can completely change your future. Today you will learn 8 powerful rules that can make your life better, stronger, and more meaningful. The first rule is to control your thoughts before your thoughts control you. Most people suffer not because of reality, but because of the negative stories inside their minds. They overthink everything. They worry about tomorrow, regret yesterday, and destroy today with fear. Your mind is like a garden. If you plant positive thoughts, confidence, discipline, and gratitude, your life will grow beautifully. But if you fill your mind with fear, jealousy, anger, and negativity, your life will slowly become dark. Every successful person understands one important truth. Thoughts become actions, and actions become destiny. If you wake up every day thinking you are weak, unlucky, and incapable, then your actions will also become weak. But if you tell yourself that you can improve, grow, and fight every challenge, your energy changes completely. Learn to speak positively to yourself. Stop saying, "I can't do this." Instead say, "I am learning." Stop saying, "My life is bad." Instead say, "My life can improve." The quality of your thoughts decides the quality of your future. The second rule is to become disciplined even when you don't feel motivated. Motivation is temporary. Some days you feel excited, but many days you feel lazy, tired, and distracted. If you only work when motivation comes, you will never achieve anything great. Discipline is the real secret of successful people. Discipline means doing what must be done even when you do not feel like doing it. A student who studies daily becomes intelligent. A person who exercises daily becomes healthy. A creator who uploads consistently becomes successful. Small actions repeated every day create massive results over time. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but disciplined people create the perfect moment through action. Wake up on time. Stop wasting hours scrolling on your phone. Learn useful skills. Finish your work before relaxing. Your future is being built by what you do every single day. One day of hard work may not change your life, but years of discipline definitely will. The third rule is to stop comparing yourself with others. Comparison is one of the biggest reasons people lose peace. Social media makes this problem even worse. People see others traveling, earning money, buying expensive things, or becoming famous, and suddenly they feel worthless. But remember something important. You are seeing only the highlights of their life, not their struggles, pain, failures, or loneliness. Every person has a different journey and a different timeline. A tree and a flower do not grow at the same speed, but both become beautiful in their own time. Instead of comparing your life with others, compare yourself with your old self. Ask yourself, am I improving? Even small progress matters. If you become 1% better every day, your future will become powerful. Jealousy destroys happiness, but self-improvement creates confidence. Focus on your own path. Your story is unique, and your success will come at the right time if you keep moving forward. The fourth rule is to protect your energy and choose your circle wisely. The people around you influence your mindset more than you realize. If you stay around negative, lazy, toxic, and disrespectful people, their energy slowly affects your thinking. But when you stay around positive, hardworking, kind, and ambitious people, you naturally become better. Some people only complain. Some people always spread drama, fear, and negativity. If someone constantly destroys your peace, limits your growth, or disrespects your dreams, then keeping distance is not selfish. It is necessary. Your environment shapes your future. Successful people protect their time and energy carefully. They avoid unnecessary arguments, gossip, and toxic relationships. Learn to say no. Learn to spend time alone if needed. Peace is more valuable than fake friendships. One loyal and positive person is better than 100 fake people. Choose wisely who enters your life because not everyone deserves access to your energy. The fifth rule is to never stop learning. The world changes every day. Technology changes, opportunities change, and people change. The people who continue learning continue growing. But the people who stop learning slowly become stuck in life. You do not need to be born intelligent to become successful. You only need curiosity and consistency. Read books. Watch educational content. Learn communication skills. Learn financial knowledge. Learn from your mistakes. Every failure teaches something valuable if you are willing to listen. Some people are afraid of failure, so they never try anything new. But failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every successful person failed many times before winning. The difference is they did not quit. A person who keeps learning becomes stronger after every mistake. Never think you know everything. The moment you stop learning, your growth stops too. The sixth rule is to take care of your body and mind. Many people ignore their health while chasing money, success, or temporary pleasure. But without health, nothing feels enjoyable. Your body is the place where you live your entire life. If you destroy it with bad habits, laziness, junk food, lack of sleep, stress, and addiction, then your future becomes painful. Start taking care of yourself now. Drink more water, sleep properly, exercise regularly, eat healthier food, go outside sometimes, spend less time on screens. But mental health is also equally important. Your mind needs rest, peace, and positivity. Constant stress and negativity slowly destroy happiness. Learn to relax sometimes. Pray, meditate, write your thoughts, or spend time in nature. You do not need to become perfect overnight. Small healthy habits can completely transform your life over time. A healthy body gives energy. A peaceful mind gives clarity. Together, they make life stronger and happier. The seventh rule is to value time because time never returns. Money lost can be earned again, but lost time never comes back. Most people waste years waiting for the right moment. They delay their dreams, delay their work, delay their goals, and suddenly life passes quickly. One day they realize they wasted too much time on fear, excuses, and distractions. Stop waiting for tomorrow. Start now. Even a small step today is more powerful than perfect plans tomorrow. Every great achievement begins with one decision to start. The time you spend daily decides the direction of your future. If you spend hours watching useless content, gossiping, or doing nothing meaningful, your life will stay the same. But if you spend time learning, improving, working, and building your dreams, your future will slowly change. Respect time because time is life itself. The people who value time become powerful because they understand that every day matters. The eighth and most important rule is to believe in yourself even when nobody else does. There will be moments in life when people doubt you. Some people may laugh at your dreams. Some may criticize your ideas. Some may even leave you during difficult times. But never let the opinions of others destroy your confidence. Every successful person was once ignored, rejected, or underestimated. The world often believes in people only after they become successful. Before success comes struggle, loneliness, hard work, and uncertainty. You must continue believing in yourself during those difficult moments. Confidence does not mean you are never afraid. Confidence means you continue moving forward despite fear. Trust your potential. Trust your journey. Even if progress is slow, keep going. A small candle can remove darkness from a room. In the same way, a small amount of self-belief can completely change a person's life. Never underestimate what you are capable of becoming. Life will always test you. Some days will feel heavy. Some days you may feel tired, heartbroken, confused, or lost. But difficult moments are not the end of your story. They are part of your growth. Storms do not come to destroy strong people. They come to reveal their strength. Every challenge you survive makes you wiser and stronger. Never give up on yourself. Your current situation is not your final destination. As long as you continue learning, improving, and moving forward, your life can change in beautiful ways. Remember these 8 rules. Control your thoughts. Stay disciplined. Stop comparing yourself with others. Protect your energy. Never stop learning. Take care of your health. Value your time. Believe in yourself. These simple rules may sound small, but if you truly follow them, they can completely transform your future. Success is not built in one day. Happiness is not created overnight. A better life is built slowly through daily habits, daily decisions, and daily discipline. One day, if you continue improving yourself, you will look back and realize how far you have come. The pain that once made you cry will become the lesson that made you stronger. The fear that once stopped you will disappear. The discipline you build today will create freedom tomorrow. Never stop growing. Never stop believing. And never forget that you have the power to change your life. If you enjoyed this story and learned something valuable from it, Then make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support motivates us to create more powerful and life-changing content for you. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep becoming the best version of yourself.